Hello students, in our last videos we have already completed the first chapter of the civics, that is the on equality. Only one small topic is remaining, so we will cover that small topic in this video. So, excepts from Article 15 of the Indian Constitution. Except means what? Except means some lines or section, some lines or section of the article 15. So in previous videos I told you that there is one article in the Constitution of India where equality of the people, uh, some article about equality of the people is mentioned in the Constitution of India. So uh, this is the article 15. Here some lines are there, so we will read that. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. First line, the state shall not discriminate against any citizen of on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. Okay, so in Article 15 of the Constitution of India, it is clearly mentioned that state or government should not discriminate the people or citizen of the India on the basis of any all these things like religion, race, caste, sex. Okay, so it is completely mentioned, prohibition of discrimination. Okay, next, no citizen shall on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any one of them be subject to any disability, liability, restriction, or condition. Okay, so disability, liability means some special cases like maybe handicapped or maybe some another other reason. Okay, those who are dependent. Okay, or restriction or condition, those who have some space, some different conditions. Okay, so all these people, they, with regard to, let us read a part, access to shops, public restaurants, hotels, and places of public entertainment. Okay, so all these people, okay, they have access to all these places, shops, public restaurant, hotels, and places of public entertainment. So there will not be discrimination on this basis. All of them are allowed to go or visit, or they have access to shops, public restaurants, hotels, places of entertainment, public entertainment. Or B, the use of the wells, tanks, bathing ghats, roads, and places of public resorts maintained wholly or partly out of state funds or dedicated to the use of the general public. Okay, so in B part it is said that the places which are made out of the state fund or government fund, or you can say general public places, where all these people will be allowed. Okay, so there will not be any discrimination. So this is the article 15 of the Indian Constitution uh, where equality of the people is mentioned. Now let us read this. Challenge of democracy. No country can be described as being completely democratic. There are always communities and individuals trying to expand the idea of democracy and push for a greater recognition of equality on existing as well as new issues. So here it is said that no country can be completely described as a democratic country. So in every country, struggle for equality is going on. Okay, people are trying to expand the idea of democracy. Even they are struggling on some current issues of equality or some uh, new issues of equality. Okay, central to this is the struggle for the recognition of all persons as equal and for their dignity to be maintained. Okay, so everyone's dignity should be maintained, respected. Okay, in this book you will read about how this issue of equality affects various aspects of our daily lives in a democratic India. As you read this chapter, think about whether the equality of all persons and their being able to maintain their dignity is upheld. Okay, so here it is said that even we will learn few about equality in other chapters as well. Okay, so students, here after our chapter is completed, Here some exercises, some questions are given. You are expected to write down all these question in your classwork notebook. Okay, don't write question number 5, okay, which is based on GK. Only write down first 4 question, and in second question it is about the article 15. Okay, we have already seen that, so you can write down this answer in second question. This is the answer of question number second. So we will stop here. Bye, have a great day.